Good morning, sleepyhead. Are you hungry? I made some breakfast.
Hey, Lil. Honestly, I can't stomach food right now. But do you have any leftover coffee?
I don't think coffee will be good for you. Are you doing okay? Let me see if we have some OJ.
Well, I went to bed late last night. Like, I got home late last night and I showered. And I went to bed with wet hair.
Oh my god, don't tell me you slept with the fan on.
Listen, you and me both know that I need to have a fan on to sleep.
Oh my gosh. No, well, let me see if we have some OJ for you.
Okay.
Well, there's no OJ, but I have some of your favorite.
Oh man, a matcha latte?
Yep.
Well, I have no idea where I'd be without you.
I'm so hungry.
I thought you said you weren't hungry.
I didn't. What? That's why I'm having a matcha latte.
I could have swore you said you're so hungry.
It wasn't me. Maybe it was like the neighbor or something. You know how paper thin these walls are.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe. Well, here's your shake. Are you gonna go into work today?
Oh, I'm definitely calling out.
Okay, well, you get some rest, okay?
God, you're such a mom.
I'm not your mom.
You will always be my mom.
Okay, Lucy, here's your food.
Finally.
Did you hear that? Lily, what is up with you? Corey, it's not funny anymore. Stop messing with me. Oh. You're sleeping. What? What was that noise?
Ooh, I like this game. Are we playing hide and go seek? Am I winning?
Nati, was that you?
Of course that was me. Was that you?
Can you say something again?
Can I get more food? 3 cups isn't enough.
No, no more food.
Okay then. Can we play a game instead?
I should tell Corey about this, but she didn't hear anything. So maybe it can just be our little secret.
Yay, a secret? I love secrets. Whoa. We said nothing about hugs, just secrets. You could scratch my ear though. I like that.
And that's why trucks make a lot of noises.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, not really. What's that?
It's okay.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
not much. Were you talking to somebody on the phone?
No, I was just talking, catching up with the dog. You know, I like to talk with the dog.
You asked her if she had any other questions.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wait. I'm gonna go grab some food. Do you want anything?
No, I'm good. Thank you though. You
Okay.
enjoy your food.
Thanks. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Come here, you.
I think she's gone.
Let's keep chatting.
Okay, cool. On my way.
We gotta be more careful next time.
You mean you gotta be more careful next time? Your cover story kinda sucks. Also, I only like belly rubs, no hugs. Thank you!